Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to be making vegan tortellini soup. This delicious soup takes less than 10 minutes and I guarantee you'll be making this on a regular basis. Now, today's video is inspired by Susan Fusco in our Simple Vegan Food Ideas Facebook group. If you have not already joined and become a member, I'll leave the link to join in the description. You'll find amazing meal inspirations and awesome vegan product recommendations that you do not want to miss out on. Alright, so we're going to start by tearing up our kale into small pieces and setting that aside for now. And for reference, we used an entire bunch of kale. Next, we're going to get our Violife Parmesan cheese wedge. And what we're going to do is we're going to make shaved Parmesan pieces to top off our soup with when it's done. Now, the secret to doing this is just simply using the back of a cheese grater. It's imperative that you use the back since the front has that crinkled piece and it just makes the pieces way too thick for this. By using the back, even though that's not its proper use, it gives you the right texture and consistency to this Parmesan cheese wedge. Alright, so we're going to start by emptying an entire carton of this Imagine Foods no chicken broth into our pot. This product is available on veganblackmarket.com and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Then we're going to add in an entire 24-ounce jar of the Rayo's homemade marinara sauce. We use the sensitive formula sauce, but you can use the regular all-purpose one as well if you prefer that instead. Both are available on veganblackmarket.com. Next, we're going to empty out the entire contents of this Kitehill dairy-free tortellini into the pot. And then we're just gonna put our kale in here from earlier. And then let's just go ahead and give all the ingredients a good mix. Look how beautiful that looks. Alright, now we're just going to bring this pot of this delicious vegan tortellini soup to a boil while we continue to mix it occasionally. This really only takes a few minutes depending on how fast your stove cooks. So anywhere from maybe 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so it's boiling. We're going to lower that heat to a simmer for an extra 2 to 3 minutes so we can get that tortellini completely cooked. Alright, and that is all. Time's up. We're going to remove it from the heat now that it's finished cooking. And side note, the anticipation is killing me, guys, because this soup smells so mouthwatering. Alright, so let's go ahead and scoop some up in a bowl so we can go ahead and give this a taste. And then what we're going to do is, because I didn't add the salt in the beginning, because, you know, everybody likes to season it with a little more or a little less, so we're just going to go ahead and individually season our bowl with the salt and pepper of our desired liking. Also, I did learn that you use less salt this way. And then we're going to top it off with our Parmesan shavings from earlier. And voila, vegan tortellini soup in less than 10 minutes, friends. I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. And don't forget to join the Facebook group for awesome creations and maybe inspire our next video with yours. And don't forget, you can get all the ingredients featured in this video at Vegan Black Market. You can also find links and a promo code in the description below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get access to more quick and easy vegan meals from Vegan Black Market. See you around, guys.